Pranam. Hello everybody. Today we will look into the cat and cow stretch. So these stretches are very beautiful stretches to begin to start your yoga practice. Today we will learn these postures. Before that, let us talk about the contradictions of these postures. So if your wrist is weak, then you should not do this posture, because lot of pressure will come onto your palms. And if your shoulders are not strong, then also you should not do this posture. Now, if you have undergone a recent surgery of your knees, or your knees are not okay, then you should not do this posture. You should avoid these postures. Now, let us talk about the few benefits that are related to these postures. The very first benefit of these stretches are that these stretches will make your spine mobilize. Because in this posture, your spine will go down, your spine will go up. The movement of your spine, arching your spine and rounding of your spine, it will definitely increase the flow of blood in your spine. Now in this posture, you will be putting the pressure onto your palms. Now your palm will get warm up and your palm will strengthen. Your shoulders will also strengthen. Your tailbone will also get activated. Now in this posture, when we'll take our spine down, we'll arch our spine, then your head will go up, and then it gives your neck a deep stretch. So along with the spine stretch, you will get the neck stretch also. So these are the benefits of the cat and the cow poses. Now let us get on to the mat. Now let's come into the tabletop position. So this is your tabletop position. Keep your palms open like this so that pressure will distribute on whole palm. Now keep your palms below your shoulders. So your palms are shoulder distance or shoulder width apart, and keeping your knees below your hips and keeping your feet fully on the mat like this. Now shift your body weight a little forward so that your spine elongated. Now breathe in. As you breathe in, slowly lift your tailbone up and spine down. Push your spine down, push your navel down, and take your head up. Look up. Feel the stretch onto your back, and as you exhale, slowly round your back, relax your tailbone and take your chin towards your chest. Keep breathing in and out. Feel your tummy squeezed. Feel your neck stretched. And very slowly breathing in, relax your back, push your back downwards, navel downwards, take your head up, untuck your tailbone, look up, arch your back, and exhale, relax your tailbone, and take your chin to the chest, squeeze your tummy, contract your navel, push your spine up, and and inhale, come back to the center, neutral position, relax there. Then you can send your hips back, and then forehead on the floor and relax for a few seconds. You can also do a couple of rounds, 5 to 10 rounds, so that your palms completely warm up, your whole body get warm up, your spine get warm up. Now let us see what are the mistakes that one should avoid while doing these postures. The number one mistake that you can avoid is to keep your palms below the shoulders. It may happen that you may take your palms wider than your shoulders, so try to keep them below your shoulders. And also keep your knees below your hips and keeping your feet like this on the back, keeping your spine parallel to the floor. Then this is your correct position to begin these postures.